So we are out at the lake with the new underwater drone, and we're going to take it out for a dive and see if we can find anything cool. Look at that little guy go out there. And yeah, it is a corded ROV because, you know, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, all that stuff doesn't work underwater, so all ROVs are corded. Alright, we are off. Okay, so this is the view I see when I'm driving it. I brought my 360 cam to stick on top of this thing because I thought it would be super cool to have a, okay, a little close to the bottom, 360 cam view on top of this thing, but I forgot to charge it before I left, so check out this log. So you get this view while the 360 camera is in my truck charging. This is so freaking cool. Okay. Yeah, this thing moves sideways in every different direction you can imagine, but I'm not that good at it, so we're not going to do all that. But a little later we'll put the 360 camera on top after it charged and see how that looks. But for now, you just get the view I get. Look at this. This looks like a lot of plasticky stuff down here. Okay, this is kind of like a debris field in a lake. There's currents in a lake and they kind of dump stuff in certain places. This is one of those places, so I assume it would be a good place to find stuff. So we're just going to keep looking for stuff. Alright, what are you? You look like some plasticky stuff. Okay, we're pointing like straight down now. I'll get down a little closer, have a look. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, so down is very fast. Apparently up is very fast too, so just looks like garbage. So I'm just gonna head out of here and go look for something else. What are you over here? I think that's just, yeah, it's just a chunk of wood that got cut and is now in the lake, so let's keep cruising. I think my problem is, notice we're only at the upper left of the screen, we're only like a little over 5 feet deep, so this is shallow enough people can just like reach down and grab stuff. Alright, so I jammed out here where it's a little deeper. See, we're now at like 15 feet. We can go down some, so we'll head down. Whoa, 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 not quite that far down, okay. And okay, now we're at like 19 feet. So there's not nearly as much stuff here, but my thought is this is deep enough that like if someone drops something, they're not going to be able to like reach down and grab it. So what is this? You do not look natural. Okay, let's go down slowly, not ram the earth. Okay, okay. What the heck is that? Okay, looks like nothing. Moving on. All right, what are you up there? Is that what I think I see? It is. I found some sunglasses. All right, now let's see if we can make those mine. I think I gotta spin around to the side here a little bit. Get over a little. So it's very hard. The tether's pulling on the back of the robot because the tether's kind of, and we're a little over 200 feet out right now, so it's a lot of tether. And like the wind on the surface and kind of the, okay, hold up. Alright, get a little left. But yeah, the tether's pulling on it and the thing just drifts around in the water, so this is very difficult. And that is not at all what I wanted to do. Okay, so I screwed that up and I think I need to let some silt settle now. Damn it. Okay, I backed off, I let the silt settle, I can see him again, so let's try this again with just a little more finesse, which is not going to go well because I don't have finesse. Okay, you can see the hole where I rammed the earth earlier. Okay, get centered, let's go slowly, slowly. Okay, we're starting to stir up silt. Okay, get him. Okay, close the claw. Hard to see, but I think I got him. Oh, I got some sunglasses. These are mine now. All right, now which way is the shore? I don't even know. All right, I think this way, so let's go this way. Alright, I'm not 100% sure if I'm going the right direction, so if you look in the upper left, you could see I am climbing for the surface. I'm going to just pop out of the water so that I can look from the shore. And where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay, I can see it. Need to turn to the left a little, and then I can get back down in the water some and keep cruising. Okay, we're probably halfway back now, much shallower water. I think I'm going to pop up again, try to spot it from the surface just to make sure I'm still going in the right direction, because it's super easy to get lost down here. Okay, need to turn just a little and go this way. Alright, there's my tether. It's actually very hard to see your tether out deeper. You think you just spin around, look at your tether, and follow it back. It's not that simple, but we are back. Okay. So we're going to stop here. And here comes the monster feet. I got me some Ray-Bans. Check it out. Should I put these for sale up on the website? It's actually my new merchandise. Stuff I found at the bottom of the lake. Back out we go. Alright, back in the water, and we're going straight out to the deep stuff because that's where stuff is. And let's see what this is. Kind of looks like maybe a coffee cup or something. Hard to tell. It's also hard to tell how big stuff is. Whoa, okay. Don't think a coffee cup. Not doing good here. Okay. Oh, maybe. Oh, what are you? Come back, come back. I will pin you down. Okay, I'm just gonna squeeze. And I got it. Okay, that was definitely a lot more luck than skill. That was all luck, no skill. Okay, that just looks like trash, so I'm gonna drop it. Okay, little hole in the ground here with some weird things down there. Let's get a better look. Odd. Let's keep going. Alright, we are running out of tether. We got 300 feet of tether and we are about at the end of it. Weird, it looks like there's like some logs or something laying on the ground here, but they're gone now. What is over here? Ooh, what is that? Oh, come on. I'm out of tether. Okay, I'm 300 feet out. I think I see a bucket and I want it. Yeah, I think that's a bucket. Okay, 300 feet out on the tether, 25 feet down. What was that, like 290 feet out from shore? Okay, hold on for a sec. I'm gonna try something. Okay, what you guys cannot see right now is I just walked out into the water. I'm like knee deep. I'm holding the spool for this thing, holding the remote, and holding the microphone that I'm recording this on. And I'm trying to get up to this bucket. I needed that extra 10 feet. Oh, this is so hard. Okay, I'm pulling on the tether as hard as I can. I'm like going full throttle forward right now. I don't want to go any deeper in the water myself, so I think I got it. That's not like a super good grab, but we're gonna try. Come back. No. Okay, so. Where's my bucket? Where's my bucket? Now we're making silt. Now we're spinning around. I'm running into stuff. This is not going well. Okay, there's the bucket. Alright, let's try to get around here. The tether's pulling in the back of this thing so hard. Okay, I got it. Grab it. Grab it. Okay, I think I got it. Now can we lift it? Come on. Oh, it's lifting it. No, it's not happy, but it's lifting it. Okay, we have a long way to go to get back with this thing, so. Oh man. Alright, I'm gonna try to go back. Okay, turns out pulling a bucket backwards is like pulling a parachute, so I'm just pulling it in with the tether, which you can do. So now we got a bucket to put all my treasures in. Alright, so our first treasure with the robot was a pair of glasses, and our second treasure was a bucket to carry our treasures in. So I'm calling that a win. We're going to get loaded up, get the robot back on the charger, and then see if we find somewhere else to stop along the way. Alright, we stopped at another lake on the way home. The 360 cam is on top. I am watching through the normal camera and just going to go cruise around. And then obviously I have to pull a 360 camera footage out later that you're watching now to see what it looks like. I think it will look cool. Oh, there's a fish. I'll come back. Yeah, he is way faster than me. Hopefully the other camera caught it. Okay, I'm going to pop out of the surface, see where it's at. Okay, I can see it, so I can drop it back in. Keep cruising. Don't hit the bottom. Okay. Okay, I think it's about time to pack this thing up and head home, but I want to get something out of this lake. There's nothing cool to grab, so I'm just going to try to grab this stick because I need the practice. So, get centered. This is not center. Left turn. Get down. Okay, I'm sitting flat on it, not pointed down, so I need to tilt down, which is just making a bunch of silt, but I'm squeezing and hoping for the best. I got it! Okay, so now let's turn towards shore. Let's not run into whatever that is and head back. Alright, we got a pair of sunglasses that I will probably give to my wife, and we got a bucket to put the rest of our stuff in. So this thing was awesome in the clear lakes around here. I did use it out in the ocean just to try to get the feel of it, which turns out is a terrible place to try to get the feel of an underwater robot when waves are tossing you around and stuff, but who would have thought? A couple things we learned. Picking stuff up off the bottom of a lake is hilariously hard. It goes up and down really fast and you ram into stuff, and no matter how long the cord is, you will always need 10 more feet. So I'm going to use this thing a whole lot more. I want to go to around some like the boat docks and where bridges cross over the lakes and rivers, and maybe the Deschutes River in town, and see how much more cool stuff we can find. So hopefully you like this thing, because you're definitely going to see a lot more of it until the snow comes back, the water freezes over, and we're back out in the snow.